When I feel disconnected or after a long day behind the computer, I use the 7 spirals to rebalance my energies. Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge. I'm going to show you how to do the 7 spirals. It's a way to harmonize the energy of the universe in 7 different directions. In front of you, behind you, to the right, to the left, below, above, and within. All you're going to do is palm straight out in front of you, and you're just going to start doing circles. It doesn't matter how fast or how slow, which hand you're using. Let's go the opposite direction. It doesn't matter which way you start. You might start in different directions every single time. Once you're done, palm behind you and start doing circles behind you in whatever direction. Oh, nice big deep breaths. Focus on breathing. Now the opposite direction. Nice big circles. If your shoulder hurts and you can't have your hand straight out, do whatever it's comfortable. Hand right behind you, like whatever. One finger, like whatever works for you, as long as you're doing it. Now let's go to one side. It doesn't matter if it's right or left. It's whatever side you go to. Sometimes I end up doing circles and not just in 2 different directions, but I end up going the other direction as well, and that's fine. I just rotated to the opposite direction there. Now to the other side, and again, palm out. Doesn't matter how fast or slow. If you're chronically homolateral, meaning your energies are not crossing over, this is a great technique for you. Let's go the opposite direction. Homolateral basically means that your right hemisphere is not connecting to your left side of the body and vice versa. So your energies are not crossing over. Let's go below, palm face down. I'm doing it above like this so you guys can see, but usually my hand is nice and low doing those big circles. If you're in need of electrics, this is an energy system that we work with. Most of us behind computers are always in desperate need of electrics work. This is a good way for you to maintain that. So let's go the opposite direction. Whew, nice and grounding. Very nice and grounding. Now let's go above, hand flat. And you just start doing those big round circles. And again, if this hurts your shoulder, have your hand down here, up, like whatever works for you. And then go the opposite direction. You can do this as often as you need to. This is my go-to. Let's do within, palm facing your heart and clearing. This is my go-to technique. This is the one that I'll do at the start of the day, at the end of the day, just to kind of get me ready for the day and to cleanse me from everything that happened during the day. Let's go the opposite direction. Nice big circles. It's as simple as that. If you have your kids do it, they're not going to need to do it as long as you and I might need it. They're much quicker to rebalance their energies, but it will help everyone. Until next time, keep moving energies.